Hello guys, welcome back to Just Simple Meal. Okay guys, today we are doing popcorns. As you can see, we have the ingredients, we have the corns, we have salt, and we have oil. It's a simple recipe we are doing today. And guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, make a comment, like, share, kindly guys. On to our first step, we put our pot on our gas. We add the corn. Immediately we add oil. After that we add salt. A tablespoon. We stir. And guys, be ready with the lid on the other hand because they will start popping. You can see we cover them. You can hear the sound, they have started popping. Guys, as you can hear, they are still popping. You can hear the sound. We can check because the popping almost have stopped. You can see guys, actually they are still popping. You can see them, they look nice. They're still popping. The popping, they're not yet. You can see guys. And make sure that your gas is at medium heat. They're still popping. You can see they look nice. Homemade popcorns. I guess the popping have stopped. Now we switch off our gas. The popping have stopped. You can see guys, a simple recipe for today. Popcorns. Now guys, our popcorns are ready. It's time to serve them. Now guys, as you can see, our popcorns are ready. You can have them while watching movie on picnic, and also you can serve them with your favorite drink. Yeah, and that is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go there, share, like, leave a comment so that we can grow together. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.